But to go back to Jeremy, when he sits there and says, I'm not going to make any more videos about him, referring to me, don't make any more. I don't blame you. I wouldn't either. We emailed you. We didn't reach out to you on Instagram. We emailed you. You didn't reply.
Ooh, this is getting spicy. Ladies and gentlemen, we got to continue the saga that is the YouTube finance drama when it comes to Jeremy from Financial Education and, of course, Paul from Everything Money. These two have been combating, not coming to terms. This could very likely be the last video in this saga. So consider hitting that like button, folks. We broke down the best points. I'm going to react to them, and we're going to see what both sides currently sit. And this has just been generally a whole lot of fun. So let's get right into this.
We were very, very clear on what I took your challenge and went even further. And you backed down. You only wanted to paper trade. If you're watching Jeremy and you believe that paper trading is the better way to go, you don't understand money and investing. Money investing isn't just about the numbers. In fact, 80 or 90% of it is about this. And when you have paper trade in there, it's hard to sit there and see it's easy to sit there and see your money go down. When you have real money on the line, it's hard. That's why I wanted real money on the line. And my offer still stands to him when he's ready to put $1 million in a bank account that will get audited by the people we put it with. I have no problem with that. The only thing I say is, the only rule I have is no money in, no money out. That's it. For this guy, he sits there and goes, I want to buy 10 stocks. That's not what investing is. Investing isn't just buying one stock for the rest of the time. I'm going to sell a stock that is overpriced. If I buy a stock that I think is underpriced and it triples or quadruples above its value, I'm absolutely going to sell it. That is smart investing. That is smart investing. But when you paper trade, you can YOLO all you want. In fact, in this 10-year challenge, Tesla may be a buy in 4 or 5 years. That's the difference between him and I. I look at a company and say, what is it selling for? Is that a good deal? He looks at a company and says, I love the company, therefore I buy it. That is what's wrong. And you'll always see every real value investor, like Buffett, Munger, they differentiate the stock from the company. And that's what I do.
Baby, this is super intense, but I can agree on Paul with quite a few things. Firstly, the way he selects stocks, I agree with the fact that if you're picking 10 individual companies in this competition, that you should be able to trade them without adding or taking any money into the account, because things do change. But that comes back to the same point, that it shouldn't really matter if he wants to buy overhyped stocks. I mean, the whole idea of value investing doesn't make sense. The stock market is truly fugazi, in my opinion. You should mostly be in index funds. And if you're picking individual stocks, like I said, you could be the best value investor in the world. But if you still pick PayPal, Facebook, Alibaba, you've been just as devastated, if not more devastated, than even picking some of these small caps. But Paul and Jeremy, they can't find middle ground. And where I can kind of support Jeremy here is the fact that I think he initiated the idea of this competition and set some groundwork that clearly they can't just find middle ground on. But I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that Jeremy just won't link up with them. I mean, they offered to bring him on the show, and I think for the rights of YouTube drama and just pure awesomeness in finance, these two opposite-ended investors need to make like a super iconic, like forever kind of YouTube clash video. I think it would be absolutely brilliant. But we're going to see Jeremy's side of this and then just kind of get an opinion of where things might be moving forward. So let's see what's going on with the competition that he's proposing.
Let me know. I saw that you want to do this massive $30,000 donation to a charity. Flat out, you guys, I don't make that much money. Okay, I don't think that I could donate $30,000 a year if I'm losing to a charity. But if I can get involved somehow, I will. And you know what?
All right, Daniel Prong, he's
opinion.
in. Okay, so I've had a couple of people reach out to me. They want part of the YouTuber, let's call it finance challenge, stock challenge. Okay, so here's the deal. All right, I need everybody that actually wants in this. I need you to reach out over the next, let's call it a week or two. I need your 10 stocks. You can pick 10 stocks. You can pick ETFs. You can pick index funds. You can do a combo of whatever. You short the market. I don't care. Okay, but you're not switching. Once you pick those 10 are locked in. Okay. I'll pick my 10 as well. We'll put it all out there, exactly what price it is when the competition will start, August 1st of 2022. After every single year, every YouTuber I'm personally losing to, I'm going to give $5,000 to charity. So if there's like 10 YouTubers doing this, and let's say I lose to all 10, that's $50,000 I'll give to charity, and each YouTuber, you can let me know what money you want the charity given to, okay? And so there's literally no risk for the other YouTubers, the other big finance YouTubers. Like, if you want to give money to charity, you do. If you don't, you don't have to, okay? I want as many people in this as possible that are big finance YouTubers, okay? All you got to get is minimum 10K views a video. I have another $5,000 I'm going to give each year to charity if I underperform the S&P 500 while this competition is going on. And I think we should do it, man. I think the audience wants it.
So yes, the audience absolutely wants this, but again, picking the 10 stocks and not being able to trade them around and doing it on paper, not having it in an account where it's all balanced, I'm way more on everything's money side for this, and I love that it's charity and raising money. I mean, this is probably the best outcome. That should be the only outcome aside, you know, if it's drawing this much entertainment and drama, but it also seems kind of like a cop-out from financial education side, not to be like rude about this, but I really feel like he's just trying to take advantage of the drama and just try and convert it into something else that, even though is good, I still feel like if he's willing to go this far, and everything money says he's just not replying, like it just seems foolish to not focus on just doing this with these two large platforms that are generating all of the views, which would inevitably, I think, raise way more money for charity from both your sides. Like both of you involved would easily end up donating more to some degree to a charity. So like I said, it seems weak to me. And again, don't get me wrong, all charity is good charity. It's just the way that these guys aren't being fully transparent on both sides. I feel like, you know, Paul might be lying about some stuff. Jeremy's clearly hiding and lying about some stuff, but come on, man, for the sake of entertainment, guys, bring it together for us. I don't know. I hope this isn't the end of it, but hey, at least worst case scenario, we'll see Everything Money make some more battering videos of these guys, and at least Jeremy's going to be raising some money for charity. So on that note, let me know what you think in that comment section below. Stay cool, stay awesome, and as always, I look forward to catching you in the next one.